Today, we're going to be taking a look through the Consignment Search page. Firstly, go to Home, and then underneath Consignment Actions, go to Consignment Search. Now in this page, there are a range of options of things you can do. There is a bulk actions and a scanning or bulk search tool that you can use, but there is another separate video for that will be in the link in the description below. We also have our column selector. You can adjust your columns and then use these columns to be the default for new customer and agent and staff users, as well as updating current staff, customer and agent users. You can adjust your column selector by selecting these little boxes here. You can drag and drop them into any order that you see fit, and you can also add and remove. So you can remove by selecting these little X icons and then type and select to add in new columns. Once you have done this, you can select update, and you can also use any of those new defaults or updates above. Now, something we can also do is adjust the size or width of these columns by ensuring that you hover your mouse over the correct location and then just dragging and dropping. After this, we can also look at possibly filtering. We will filter by the consignment number, and you can put a percentage symbol, or you can just type in the full consignment number if you require. You can put a percentage symbol on the end to put starts with, so in this instance any consignment number starting with the number 2. You can put another percentage symbol at the start to say contains the number 2, and then the percentage symbol at the start actually means to end in the number 2. As you can see, we don't have any consignments ending in the number 2. So what we will do is put in an exclamation mark, and what this does is say to not start with the number 2. And then if we are to put in an equal sign in between that exclamation mark and the number, you will be able to see that this says not equal to 2. So not equal to just the number 2. Luckily we don't have any consignment numbers that are just the number 2. So now what we can take a look at is the date range selector. So you can have the date range of yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last month, or even just a custom range that you can select yourself. Another filtering option is to use the Preselect Filter button. As you can see, there is this button up top. We can enter in a filter that we can use as a preset. So if we click on the filter button and then potentially make this based on a customer name, so we can say filter by customer name Unified Logistics. And now if we select to actually use this feature, you will see that only consignments with the customer name of Unified Logistics will appear. There is also another feature that you could possibly use this for if you only wanted to have consignments appear with a certain containment. So if we were to put supply as the contained customer name, then we would have any customer name that contains the word supply. Then the last feature of this search page would be the export button. In the bottom left hand corner, you can export a CSV or Excel file containing anything on that individual page. And that is the Consignment Search page. Thank you for watching.